Okay, so we're using the Fix-A-Flat. This is the standard can for a sedan. You wouldn't have to use the whole thing for a small ATV tire. But we have a small leak in the ATV tire, and we're going to put some Fix-A-Flat in it and run it around to fix it. Fix-A-Flat is a very well-known brand. It works in all different types of vehicles, and it's great for slow leaks. Follow the instructions, throw it in, and you're good to go. It's a really nice can. It does have stainless steel bottom, so in the event it gets wet, it doesn't leave a rust mark on whatever shelf you are putting it on. So we're putting the sealant in, and we didn't know where the leak was because there was no puncture. It was a slow leak, probably around the rim. So we're just finishing putting the can in. Now we're going to put our safety gear on, ride it around, and get it all circulated around the tire. It's very easy to do.